already hit the jackpot.
Good. Jump over the river. Oh! Water-based activities at your own risk. No lifeguard provided. Sassy. Like sit right there. You're taking that.
How many people is it their first time at Alabama today?
Yay, I want so I want you to do it for
All
me.
of your treats. You really fast.
Comes on one another. So if you've ever seen or never seen giraffes batter before.
Oh my.
Feels like a cat.
Oh my. Did he lick you?
You like that?
Yeah. That was so slimy.
Not have teeth. They rely on those rocks to work the same way that our teeth do. 70 pounds. But it gets worse. Usually the day after Mama. See, there you go. If you're gonna miss it, Sophia's gonna be. Oh, Sophia.
There you go. Where is that?
Yeah.
Who is this, Sophia?
Boom boom.
His name is Boom Boom.
Because I'm in a trance. I'm in shock.
What's up, dude? Hanging out?
Let's go.
That's my hand. That's huge.
Let's
I totally jumped. Oh man, I'm kind of freaked out.
7, wait, 6, wait, 5, wait, 4, wait, 3, wait, 2, wait, wait.
I think it was a live one. Rawr! Hey, you better be careful, dude. We gotta keep this guy from jumping out.
A pink jeep.
Sedona.
No.
The clam. Oh wow, that's beautiful.
Kind of pretty at this time of the day, isn't it? Now, we all know why they're red.
Watch out.
I think Ethel's got the best
What are we
view.
watching out for?
Oh my god.
Wow.
Back in 1876. So if you look at the big picture, back in down. Now, technically, that is Chicken Point, right? Where that guy's standing out there.
That's so
All from erosion over time, just melting these rocks away.
erosion.
If you want to follow the trails, then stay on the trails. If you don't want to follow the trails, go make your own trail. You have total freedom to go anywhere you want. Nice and pretty up here.
Wow.
Now see down below us on the right, submarine rock. All three behind us, we're gonna back up and go around. All right, one more time. What do you think?
Since the incidents. Okay, sorry if I'm squishing you.
Any questions while we're here?
Okay.
My mom does.
Oh, there. Yep. Now, we used to call this the double staircase, but some people didn't like that name, so we changed it. Seatbelts are on, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well,
There you go.
Now, all of our Jeeps go in every 30 days for brake inspections.
We just came down that. Oh wow, that was
Kind of a
awesome.
cool road if you look. Now, he's one of the new guys, so as soon as he gets close, we're leaving. Just in case.
I'm getting colder. Hello. Hey guys, look at me. Hello.
Go, 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 go.
Does it take a picture when I do this? Feeling inside my
Go, go, hiker. There it is.
Look it. I have a magical stick that I got from
Yeah.
there. That pad. That's a great idea. Look it. Can I keep my magical stick?
Yes, you can.
Yay! Thank you, Daddy.
Of course.
Magic. Let's go, magic stick. Yes, you're right, Daddy. Magic stick.
Who are you?
Sophia.
What did you find?
A magic stick that I named it.
Which is
Lesania.
Lesania?
Lesania, yeah. Lesania, what?
Lesania is the magical stick.
Her name is Lesania.
Her name is Lesania, the magical stick.
Yeah, she helped me go on the rivers. Yes, she's a really magical stick.
Beautiful. We got some snow too. Whoa.
Oh, look at the one that's licking the paw.
He's a porcupine, yes.
Is that how a porcupine sounds like?
Yes.
Bear cubs, river otters, bobcats, raptor show. Look how many bears are right here.
So that one's a big. That one is a big.
Who stole the car?
He actually stopped.
In the middle. What am I supposed to do? Route 66. There's a rainbow way down over there. Ah, it's freezing. Ah, woo, it's cold. Rainbow action.
Hey, you want